Hello and welcome. Today is about keyword research. Getting your book seen on Amazon starts with the right keywords. I'm going to show you a simple way on how you can research keywords that would fit your book so that the audience that are looking for your book can find your book easily. Let's get to it. Welcome back. So now let us find the right keyword so our book can actually be discovered on Amazon. Yes, that's another work. You want your book to be recognized. Well, you want your book to be recommended to the right audience. You want your book to be recommended to the right audience. So you have to do the work. You can either use Amazon KDP extensions, or you can use free tools like BookBoat's keyword tool or even ChatGPT to brainstorm keywords. I use ChatGPT to brainstorm my keywords, so depends on you. But this is another quick way that you can do it. Just go on Amazon. And then so I'm using my book as an example. I want to publish. Okay, let's see the result. See, Best Love Bible Stories, 8-book library box gift set for children, including stories of Noah. So this is someone selling storybook about Noah, Jesus, and all. You see how she has been able to fix the right keywords. I'm not even looking for this book, but it's stopping up as the top finds, right? So you will take your time to study how people are listing their books so you can know how to do same with yours. You just know how to list your book in a way that when people are searching for storybooks, searching for Adam and Eve, searching for your book will be among the top ranking list. Okay, so I've already studied the keywords that I want to use for my book, so I'll go ahead and use that. But this is a way of showing you how people are listing their books and how it's coming on. See the prices, they're not so expensive. Just imagine this person selling her book for $9, right? And she sells 10 in a day, So yeah, keywords are very important. Okay, so that being said, we've already designed our book cover. We've designed our interior. We've talked about keywords. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to upload to Amazon KDP. Congratulations, you're almost done. So let's head over to Amazon KDP to publish our book.